Let's try to explore what we call a Microsoft Excel uh, application. A Microsoft Excel application has what we call uh, the toolbars. It has what we call a title bar and other bars as we have explained them in the previous tutorials. You can check onto our channel for those other uh, tutorials concerning the interface of the Microsoft Office Excel. Let's start with trying to understand. These are what we call cells. We have laws. These are what we call laws. Then these are columns. No. These are columns. The ones going up, these are columns. Then these are laws. So when you compare these and these, that's how you can learn how to read the active cells. If you know how to play around with those ones, you will be able to read the active cell. Right now, we want to see the active cell here will be C9. This is where we collect the active cell. That is C9. So we want to do some sort of uh, calculations, and we are going to look at operators that can do that. We are going to look at functions. We are going to look at all that. So in here we shall look at which formula are we going to use. It will appear here in the formula bar. For instance, if I have, for instance, here milk, then here I have bread, here I have mm, corns, then I have blue band. So then here I mark them by day. Monday, uh, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Here we are going to go a little bit slowly so that we get the gist very well. If someone had bought 3 packets of milk, then 2 breads, 1 corn, then here 2 packets of blue band, 2, 5, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Well, when we are done with that, we can as well try to do what we call some bit of calculations. How can we get the total here? So in here we are going to do what we call uh, calculating the total of this uh, uh, foundation or this information that we have entered here. But we have to understand before we go into that in here we can enter uh, we can enter the items that we want in cells. You can write into cells. This is how we can enter data into our cells. So this is how we can enter data. How do you enter information into your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet? How do we enter information or adding data into your spreadsheet? This could be Sunday. Here we are looking at how to enter information or data into your spreadsheet. So if you briefly know very well how you can play around with entering data into this spreadsheet, it means you will be able to do whatever you want. So in here we are learning how we can enter data into the spreadsheet. You have opened it through processes. You will go, if you're new to this application, you just go straight to your computer, then onto your keyboard place the window button, or you can click here down on the start menu bar. When you open on the start menu bar, then go to in here you can start with opening. When you open straight, it will help you to open programs. Now onto my window 8, I can go to the search, then I enter Microsoft Excel. When I open the Microsoft, or when I prompt, I'll get Microsoft Excel of different versions, then I can choose the one I want. So when you open, it will bring this outer or the interface. So the interface, it's all about the way it will look. It will be showing you new what, then you come up with this application here. So when you open in here, you can enter data into columns and rows. So if you have learned that you can enter data into columns and rows, so it becomes very easy and definite to understand. These are what we call rows and columns. These are columns, then these are rows. So data we enter basing on rows and columns. Basically, that's what we can cover when it comes to entering data into Microsoft Excel application.